Hi foodies, this is definitely a favorite in my home, so of course I'm sharing another video with you guys. So let's get into this brown stew chicken. So this time I'm doing some chicken wings, alright? These were washed with lemon juice and cold water. I'm just gonna add some Maggi seasoning. You can use seasoned salt or whatever poultry seasoning you like, okay? Then I'm gonna go in with some black pepper, alright? Of course, as usual, you can do your onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, all that good stuff if you prefer, okay? And then I'm going to add some green seasoning. This is a favorite used in Caribbean households, okay? Blended herbs. Very nice. All right. And then we're going to be adding other ingredients because we got to flavor this up. All right. So some soy sauce. This adds salt and flavor. So be careful if you're going to add salt to this. Then we'll go in with some minced garlic and ginger, some scallion, and you can cut that smaller if you prefer, and then some fresh thyme, definitely ingredients we always include, and onion with some bell peppers. Okay, we're adding some allspice berries or pimento seeds as we call it in Jamaica, and then just rub everything together. I won't be using any browning this time. Some people have messaged me on IG saying they can't find browning where they're living, whichever country they're in, so this is going to be without browning. Okay, so I have my oil and it's hot over medium high heat. I'm adding the brown sugar, guys. You just want to stir this around, let it melt. It's gonna get a little bit foamy, but you don't want the entire thing to be black like browning or like soy sauce. Okay, just that beautiful brown. Then we're gonna be adding the wings. You're gonna cook the wings in this for about, somewhere between 2 to 4 minutes per side. Okay, and then we're gonna be adding these later, so don't throw them out. This is the veggies that was in the marinade, right? Don't throw those out. So cook the wings in the oil and just let it get that beautiful color. All right, you want to make sure it gets that color before you add any liquids. So just move things around as you need to and you'll see that beautiful color on the outside. What we're really looking for, guys, is brown with some beautiful dark edges. Once we've browned these, remove them from the pot and add those veggies, add everything from that bowl that we marinated the chicken in, all right? And then we're going to stir things around for about 2 to 3 minutes, and that's going to help to loosen all the seasoning that was stuck to the pot. So I'm going to be adding some tomato, guys, just a little bit. Sometimes I'll leave it out, sometimes I add it. And then I'll add a little ketchup as well. Some people don't like ketchup in their brown stew, but I do, so I will always add it once I have ketchup at home, okay? Then we'll add some water. As far as the water, guys, we're doing brown stew wings. They'll cook super fast, so you don't need to fill the pot with water. Just a few centimeters above the chicken is good, or maybe an inch the most. All right, you're gonna taste the gravy once it comes up to a boil to see if you need to adjust seasoning, and then if it's good, we're gonna be simmering it for about 20 minutes. These are chicken wings. We don't want to overcook them. Okay, so cover the pot and simmer that down until you get a really nice gravy. You can add scotch bonnet if you want. I didn't have any. I can't believe I ran out, so I didn't add any scotch bonnet this time. All right, once you check on that gravy and it's good to go, then you can serve this up with some rice or some Jamaican dumplings. It is so delicious, guys. This is comfort food, so tasty. And I had it with some gungo rice and peas and some veggies and some fried plantains. So nice. So give it a try and let me know what you think, guys. I'll see you next time.